I almost feel uncomfortable saying this, but a cure for type 1 diabetes might actually be coming into view. As an endocrinologist, I've gotten used to tempering expectations for a cure. I know people have been told a cure is 10 years away since the 1980s, and I've seen all the headlines where mice have been cured of type 1 diabetes 50 times over. But this right here is legit big news. So before we get into the details, keep in mind a cure for type 1 diabetes requires two things. Number one, it has to enable the patient to be able to make their own insulin, and two, it has to protect that insulin production from the same autoimmune process that destroyed the insulin producing cells in the first place. Number one has already been demonstrated by a company called Vertex, who have successfully implanted stem cell derived insulin producing cells in patients with type 1 diabetes, succeeding so much that those patients no longer require injections of insulin. But the big caveat was that they needed immunosuppression to protect those insulin producing cells, which is where this company, Sana, enters the chat because they've been able to show the first case